Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 16.1. In this you have to find the values of the letter in each of the following and you have to give reason for the step involved. So in this case you have to multiply AB with 3 and the result must be CAB. This is not A multiplied by B. This is actually a 2-digit number multiplied by 3 gives us a 3-digit number where the last 2 digits are same. So the first way of solving this can be forming an equation. We know that how a 2-digit number is formed. In that case, this a 10th digit number must have been multiplied by 10 and the unit digit must be added to it. This is a 10-digit number, so this is how a 10-digit number is formed. If I am saying that 31 is a number, this number is formed when this 10th place is multiplied by 10 and the unit place is added to this number. So this will give us 39. So this is how a 2-digit number is formed. Okay, now this complete number is multiplied by 3 and the result is 3-digit number. And how a 3-digit number is formed? This 100 place digit is multiplied by 100. This added, which is a 10th place digit, and at the last B is added to this, and solving this you will get your answer. So instead of forming an equation, if you are able to solve the question over right here also only, it will be easier. How? Let's solve this orally without forming any equation. Now you have to multiply 3 with a digit so that the same digit will come here. So how many digits are possible? We know that there are only 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So find out how many digits are there multiplied by 3 gives the same digit. So if I multiply, the values of B can be 0 and 5. Because 3 multiplied by 0 will give 0. 3 multiplied by 1 will give 3, not 1. 3 multiplied by 2 will give 6, not the same digit. So similarly, when I check, only 2 and 5 are the digits which satisfy the value of B. Now, supposing the value of B as 0 here. So in that case, 3 into 0 will become 0. Now, you have to think that 3 multiplied by another digit will give a 2-digit number. So in that case, this cannot be 0. So in this case, this must be 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 will give 15. So in that case, the value of, this is the value of A cannot be 0. That should be 5. In that case only, when we multiply this digit by 3, will give a 2-digit number. So in actual, the value of A must be 5. The value of B must be 0. When multiplied by 3 will give 150. In this case, this is same B and this is same A, and this is the value of C here. So in this case, we are able to find the value of these missing variable assuming the value of B as 0. So if the answer is not possible using 0, in that case you would be using 5. Then only you will check what should be the answer. So this is the method. Same method can be applied here also. Instead of forming an equation, what we are doing is we are assuming the values of A, B, C orally. So how many digits are possible multiplied by 5 giving the same digit? So clearly the value of B can be 0 and 5. So again, these two values of B can be possible. In other digits, when multiplied by 5 does not provide us the same digit. So now again, assuming the value of B as 0, so 5 into 0 is 0. Now again we have to multiply 5 with a number, and the same number must be there, and there must be a 2-digit multiplied by, when this is multiplied by 5, the 2-digit number must be formed. So in that case, the value of A must be 5. In that case only, the value of A will be 5. 0 is multiplied by 5 will give 250. So this is the case for this sixth question. In this case also, because here there are 3 digits of same character, so in this case let's form the equation first. So in that case, how this 2-digit number is formed, we multiply it by 10 with a 10 place digit, and the unit place is added to this, is multiplied by 6, and the result is the same 3 characters, means this must be multiplied by 100b plus this should be 10b and this should be b. So solving this should be 60a plus 6b, and if I take b as a common, so inside the bracket this will be 111b, and this should be 60a plus 6b. So if I take b there, so this will be 60a, this will be 105b, and if I find out the ratio of a and b, so this can be cancelled by 3, 20 times, 35 times, 5 7 times, and 5 4 times. So the ratio of a and b is 7 by 4, means the values of a, b here must be 7 and 4. So 7 and 4 when multiplied by 6 will give 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 7 6s are 42, and carry 2, this is 44. So these 3 digits are same. So in this case it's better to form the equation instead of directly assuming the values. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.